Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy. To begin, gather your essential items. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and a medium saucepan. Also, prepare a clean glass jar and a wooden skewer or string. These simple ingredients and tools are all you need to start your delicious rock candy project. Optional food coloring and flavorings can add a fun twist to your creations. Next, we will create the supersaturated sugar solution. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in your saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over medium-low heat, stirring continuously. It is crucial to keep stirring until every single sugar crystal has completely dissolved. Avoid vigorous boiling. Simply simmer until the solution becomes perfectly clear and transparent. This careful process ensures the best foundation for crystal growth. Now let us set up for the magical crystal growth. Carefully pour the warm sugar solution into your clean glass jar. Dip your wooden skewer or string into the solution, then remove it and let it dry completely. This creates tiny seed crystals, which are vital for larger rock candy formation. Once dry, suspend the skewer or string into the jar, making sure it hangs freely without touching the bottom or sides. Cover the jar loosely to prevent dust. Patience is key for perfect rock candy. Place your jar in an undisturbed, cool, and dark location, away from direct sunlight or vibrations. Allow the crystals to grow for approximately 7 to 14 days. You can observe the beautiful crystal formation daily, but avoid moving the jar. Once your rock candy reaches the desired size, carefully remove it from the solution. Let it dry completely on a piece of parchment paper for several hours before enjoying your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.